Hey there, today we're going to look at WebEngage Tutorial 2026. So let's get started. First, open WebEngage and log into your dashboard. Over here, check your user overview, campaigns, and analytics. Then go to Segments, click Create Segment, and choose your audience filters. After that, save the segment and preview the user list. Over here, go to Journeys, click Create Journey, and select a blank canvas. Then drag and drop your entry trigger, choose the segment, and connect it to the next step. After that, add your communication channels like push notifications, emails, or SMS. Over here, type your message, set the timing, and save the step. Then continue adding delays or conditions to personalize the flow. After that, click Start Journey, confirm your settings, and activate the automation. Over here, go to Campaigns, select a channel, and create a new campaign. Then set the audience, add your content, schedule it, and launch the campaign. After that, open Analytics, check engagement stats, conversions, and user behavior. Over here, review the reports and optimize your campaigns for better retention. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.